I'm Ken Elliott, and this is my recent oil, Colors Revealed, 36 by 36 inches, and it's exhibiting currently at the Coors Western Art Show and Sale. This painting began during my June fine art workshop in 2025 in Massachusetts. I completed it later at a July workshop at my home studio in Colorado. It first started as a demonstration. I wanted to explore the idea of bringing together varied, even discordant colors and bring them into a unified and compelling composition. Tricky stuff. The painting went through a lot of transformations. The first version was a lot of vertical trees tightly grouped into a single dark mass, and the concept was strong, but the color relationships weren't working as well as I thought. I felt there was more to be discovered, so I pushed it further, and the next version felt like two steps backwards. That's how I remember the advice of my painting mentor, Wolf Kahn, one of the greatest of the American landscape painters, and possibly the greatest of the recent colorists in the world. He had a thing where he would say, do violence to the picture. Well, when I'm teaching class, that is a call to action, and we all love to go see what's going to happen at the train wreck, right? So I did do violence to the picture. There was some scraping and repainting, a lot of changes, big, bold, radical changes. And I completely dismantled that second composition, and I allowed something entirely new to emerge. It became an arrangement of soft, color-rich bands that carry a quiet joy. It's a painting that speaks in a whisper, and it sings. A very satisfying conclusion.